because the Federal Reserve Chair mentioned that it's going to be a painful path to tame the inflation. So the message is very clear. Don't fight the Fed. There's no free money. There's not going to be easing anytime soon. And everyone is getting ready for a long period of high interest rates. All right, guys, good morning, everybody. I am in the Burning Man mode because I'm going to Burning Man next week. It's actually this week, sorry. It starts today, so I'm gonna fly either today or tomorrow. So I'm gonna be trading tomorrow, and then for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I'm not gonna be trading because I'm gonna be in Burning Man. So today, markets on Friday dropped significantly because the Federal Reserve Chair mentioned that it's going to be a painful path to tame the inflation. So the message is very clear. Don't fight the Fed. There's no free money. There's not going to be easing anytime soon. And everyone is getting ready for a long period of high interest rates, something that US economy hasn't seen for a long time. So that's why the market was a really brutal drop on Friday. It was not a very volatile day. It was just constant sell-off. There was absolutely no buyer, and Qs dropped 4%, which is very, very scary. But anyways, today market gap down. But what right now we're seeing here was a big squeeze at the open, and went all the way to the green, somehow almost to the green, and it kind of stalled right now. So in QQQ there was a big 4% drop, and now we had a big rally. It was down almost over 1%. Now we rallied. Right now it's down only 0.2%. So we might actually test the previous day close. So what's going to happen from here? I think we're going to have some volatility, but I think the market is going to be in the range bound probably. It's in between 400 to 430 SPY, just going up and down until find a really important macroeconomic news to go one way or the other. So right now we are just seeing this market volatility as it's going. For me, today was the trade of the day was Tesla. As I mentioned, we had a really nice strong at the open. So, a couple of volatility minutes in 935 eventually turned out to be a very nice 5-minute opening range breakout for me. I thought that we're going to get the previous day close. We didn't. So, very beautiful 5-minute opening range breakout. I added very nicely at 284 in this pullback. Brian also added on TQQ, and we got the run. We never got the previous day close, and we may not actually get the previous day close. So, it is here. We're sitting there. Brian, how was your trading?
It was okay. Yeah, I got into PDD at the open because it looked like it was going to be strong, but unfortunately did get a partial, but then I got shaken out when it pulled back because I really didn't know what the market was. I was nervous about what the market was going to do. And I flipped over to BABA because it just seemed to be trading a little more cleanly. So yeah, I got a nice move on BABA through $100 there. So from 99.30 to $100.05. So that was probably my best trade of the day. And yeah, and a few scalps with SQQ and TQQ, but yeah, overall good day, not a bad day. And I'm still long. Yeah, I'm still long some natural gas as a swing trade, and I do have a little bit of uranium CCJ as well. So that's added to my profits today as well. So I'm happy about that.
Yeah, CCJ was interesting. It was even uranium is very strong because a lot of people with the energy crisis in Europe, a lot of people are considering alternatives, and nuclear energy is something that has been around for a long time. And recently, Elon Musk was actually tweeting that, what's wrong with it? Just bring it back. I think in 2011, when the Fukushima happened, when there was a earthquake in the sea and then tsunami hit the Fukushima power plant. I remember that time really well. And so all the safety measures that Fukushima had failed because the wave went up to 10 meters or something, and water got into the power plant, and then people decided, oh, maybe we should really stop these power plants because really they're messy.
Yeah, but it's not an ideal. It wasn't an ideal place to put a power plant, right on the
Actually,
edge of
you know,
a.
I read about it because it was funny because 6 months later there was a conference in Fukushima and I wanted to go there. So, you know, the safety measure was up to 7 meters. They were thinking if there is a tsunami coming, I mean, Japan, there's a lot
Mhm.
of coast, and they actually, you know, thought there might be up to 7 meter waves, but this one was 10 meters, so it actually passed the walls that they
Wow,
had. Regardless, yeah, the mother
amazing.
nature has their own thing. But overall, yeah, that's a pretty good day for me. Tesla, really nice sitting on that. That was a really nice scalp, and that was enough for me to just stop doing trading. And I hope everybody is having a good start of the week, even though last week was scary. But we'll see how it goes. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
everybody, and see you all. We have the onboarding class tonight, guys. Mike and Carlos are having this. If any one of you are new in YouTube or in the community, just join us, and Carlos and Mike walk you through our community and education and resources. See you at 8 p.m., guys. Cheers.